Get ready with me for a special night out in the Hamptons. First, I use the Cloud 9 Restoring Shampoo and Conditioner to help with my brittle hair. It's my go-to. Then I will use the leave-in conditioner spray, which is perfect for blowing my hair out. It just gives it such a shine, bounce, and just really holds the curl when I use my Dyson Airwrap. Can we just talk about the shine and how much that totally just restored my hair? I then decided to put on my favorite outfit from Altered State. This is the perfect little Hamptons look. I pinned my hair half back just to give a little more sophisticated look for dinner. I also wanted to mention that the Cloud 9 Blowout Serum is literally my holy grail when blowing my hair out with the Dyson Airwrap. It just really gives it that shine, that bounce, and it just keeps it smooth and anti-frizz, especially when going out to dinner in the Hamptons and on the water. You're going to want to use this serum. It is literally the best of the best. So all the products are in my Amazon storefront if you want to shop.